Hi, this is Rahul and welcome back to my blog. Hi there. So today I would like to talk about how to increase more square feet in your house without spending too much money. For that, one thing we have to see is that let's look for an area which are underused. I think the biggest one which everyone would agree would be our garage. We have about 400 square feet of living area which is not used as much. And by the way, when you are buying a house or whenever you bought a house, or if you are in the market to buy a house, when you look at a square feet of a house, the square feet of your garage, which approximately is give and take about 400 square feet, is not part of your square feet when you see it in the market. So if you see a house which is 2000 square feet single family house, that 400 square feet is not part of those 2000 square feet. So in order for us to add those 400 square feet into the house, there are two things we can do. Number one is that obviously we can go in and make sure the drywall is done right, and if you're going to use it during the extreme weather, in the daytime, when the sun is at 110 or 100 degrees, also then you want to make sure the walls are insulated. So the easiest fix would be make sure the insulation is done right and the drywall is fixed so it looks livable, and then just change the flooring. That will actually enhance the whole thing, and you can convert that as a man cave or a play area for kids. Put a TV down there and the kids can be there and stuff like that. Now if you want to do and go to the next level, then that will become an ADU would be an accessory dwelling unit. Instead of California, you can convert your garage by law with permits and convert that as a living space. You can even put a washer dryer, an extra washer dryer. So if you have a washer dryer, a laundry area in your house, you can add another one in your garage. You can by law also put a kitchen there, yeah. So it can be a separate living area altogether, so that would actually enhance the value of the house. Do you know that if you spend about $250 a square feet on that living area, probably your gain would be 3 to 4 times on your investment. Roughly in Southern California, in the nicer areas like in South Bay, generally a house has got the pricing of per square feet about $800 a square feet. Now if you spend that $200 or $300 a square feet on your garage and make it as a marketable living area, then you have actually put the value of that square feet will go by $800 to $900 a square feet go up. And there are a lot of families who are looking for supplemental income. They would jump on that property so that you end up getting more money for your house. So my question is that you're living in a house, you are already squeezed in, and you don't want to move from your area, from that house. The easiest and best thing would be to add those 400 square feet into your house. The second thing is, if you're planning to sell, if you want to make more money on the investment, the best thing would be to add those 400 square feet into the living area by converting that garage into a living area with permits. Then you can get most for your investment before you sell the asset. Call me if you have any questions about this. I've got some really great contractors who can help you and give you all the course on what to do and how to get it done. But more importantly, I also have designers who will design your living area and tell you how you can use the area to the optimal face value, and also you can get the most for your asset. Call me anytime. Surbhi and I've been in business for 16 years. We really take pride in thinking out of the box and getting most for our clients. Call me anytime. Thank you.